Alright YouTube, how's going on? It's me codedskills back again, and I know it's really a long time and we had not meet. So in this video I'm gonna create a new series, and this time I want this to be a serious series, and this is will be Django tutorial. Django is a framework for Python which allow you to make web apps more quickly, and it's really and good to start with this. And I'm going to just show you how to install Django and how to use it. And before one thing, I would like to clear to you all that you must know the very basics of Pythons, and then only you should move ahead on the Django. Otherwise, you will have very big problems later. So, and this is the Django site. You can just go and check out the documentations, news, and community there. And I would like to say that for each chapter that I'm going to make, I'm going to just make a Git repo for that. Already I had created a Django playlist repository which you can download. Currently it contains only 2 files, but I'm going to just upload some more files right now today. So, and here is the web framework, and it is the Atom IDE that I'm going to use in this video. So this video is especially sponsored by Atom. You can't say that because I'm not getting any money for it. Okay, so here is my Django playlist folder that I already created, and I'm going to show you how to install Django on Kali Linux, and the methods are same for everywhere, but just make sure that you have Python installed in your system, and then everything is easy. So if you already installed Python and pip, then just type pip install uh, install Django, and this will install a Django for you, but I already installed it. So after you will get a successful installation, just type Django admin and hyphen version. This will give you the current version installed in the of the Django installed in your system, and that's what you need it for right now. And after installing the Django, you should make sure that you're using a good IDE. For me, I'm using Atom, but it's not for every platform. I'm really amazed that in Kali it runs fine on what we call it 2 GB RAM. I mean, it's really a bit laggy on Windows 7, but it's really working fine on Kali. So I am using it, and each video code will be available at Django. So just go and check it out, and just subscribe to the Coded Skills channel if you had not subscribed yet for further videos.